My arms are tired.
Oh my! This is mine. Mine. Spicy.
You want to give it to the little boy that's up there?
We have an emergency. Our refrigerator is dead. It's okay. I'm not. I need your help. I need your support. I need you down here.
So guys, last night as we were checking out the haunted attic upstairs, you guys saw Dawn come up all dramatic about the emergency with her refrigerator.
It's dead.
It is dead. We did have to get a new refrigerator last night. But this is what happened with this refrigerator. It's nothing. Dawn actually just broke the freezer.
Because you tried to fix it.
Yeah,
You know
as you guys
happens.
know, I am a stylist, and it's nothing serious. Dawn is just dramatic, and everything is okay. So yeah, we're all good.